There are many websites that offer free logo design services. Here are some popular options. 1. Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that offers a free logo maker tool. It has a user-friendly interface that allows you to create a logo quickly and easily. 2. Logo Maker. Logo Maker is a free online tool that lets you create a logo from scratch or choose from their library of pre-designed logos. You can customize your logo by changing the colors, fonts, and layout. 3. Designhill. Designhill offers a free logo maker tool that allows you to create a professional logo in minutes. You can choose from a wide range of templates and customize them to your liking. 4. Free Logo Design. Logo Design is a free logo maker tool that offers thousands of customizable logo templates. You can easily create a logo by adding your company name and tagline, and customizing the colors and fonts. 5. tailorbrand. tailorbrand is an AI-powered logo maker that offers a free logo design tool. It uses algorithms to create unique logos based on your company name and industry. You can customize your logo by changing the colors, fonts, and layout. These are just a few examples of the many free logo design websites available online. When choosing a logo maker tool, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully and ensure that you have the rights to use the logo commercially.